is my baby food processor. That's the brand right there. This was $80 and I got this off of Amazon. I'll probably have to get something bigger when he gets a little older. Actually, I'm still debating about that because I might just start feeding him table food and then I won't have to worry about pureeing large amounts of fruits and vegetables for him. So yeah. So right now, this is pretty much the whole thing. You have your 2 steaming trays right here. This is the main steaming tray. It goes like that. And then you put whatever you're steaming in there, and then you put the top on top of it. This is a second steaming tray in case you have 2 things you want to cook at once. You do it like that. And this is where you put the water, and then the timer, and then this is the blending button. So after you steam whatever you're steaming, right here it's 5, 10, 15, 20, it goes all the way to 30 minutes. So after you steam what you're done steaming, you're going to take out the steaming tray, put the food in there in the blending part, and then blend it up. So I'm about to show you guys how I do his potatoes and his apples, and yeah. See if they're soft. Okay, so they're cooked. They're good. Here. So I'm gonna take my potatoes out of the steamer, put them in the blender, and there is some water in here. There is some water in here from when it was steaming, but you can add more if you need more. I probably will need more because it's potatoes, so add a little bit of water. Put the top on, and then you hit this button right here. And voila, you got your pureed baby potatoes.
First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You O.P.E.N. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. You O.P.E.N. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. and take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. O.P.E.N. Call that glass and Coca-Cola. I open up